Multiplication is still used. So do not forget your multiplication table. You have to memorize that. Okay, may I give you one example of division? Now this is 12 divided by 4. Now this is called dividend, and this one is a divisor. Dividend, this will be divided by 4. This is to be divided by 4. So again, this is divisor. So this is the question. How many 4 here? Ilang 4? How many 4s are here? So if you will think there are 3, write 3 just above this number. So then 3 times 4. So you're going to multiply. 3 times 4. You have to put it here. And then subtract. So 12 minus 12 is 0. Is that clear? Again, 12. How many 4s are here? So 3. 3 times 4. The result is to be placed here. Minus, and that is already, this one is the answer. If there are numbers here, it is called remainder. But since there is none, so I have to put 0. Again, another one. May I use 21 divided by 5? We are going to use first whole number. If there are excess, let's just consider it remainder, because in decimal numbers, that's the moment that I'm going to continue putting zeros after the remainder. But this one here, we have to just to write remainder. How many 5s are here? The question is 21 divided by 5. How many 5s are here? So let us have 4. You write 4 just above this number. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, 20. Then subtract. 21 minus 20 is 1. Let us assume we are all going to deal with whole numbers, so we will not continue. But in decimal numbers, we're going to add 0 here, put decimal here, put decimal here. But in this point, we have to have 1 as remainder first. Okay? Then let's try another example. Simple division. Okay. 56 divided by 9. Okay. How many 9s are here? How many 9s? If you think there are 6 9s in this number, so you try to write 6. Then 6 times 9 is 54. Okay. 56 minus 54, may minus, so that is 2. So there are 6 9s in this number with the excess of 2. Next time, we're going to continue putting decimal and add 0 so that you can continue in decimal numbers na. Okay, another example. We have 35 divided by 5. So how many 5s are there in 35? So let us try 7. 7 times 5 is 35. And the remainder is 0. Because you are going to subtract 35 minus 35 is 0. Another one. I will give you 40 divided by 20. How many 20s here? Okay, think of a number. How many numbers? In 40, how many 20s? So you write 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 2, 4. Okay, subtract 40 minus 40 is 0. Another example, let us have 320. Okay, divided by 10. Do you like 10? Okay. When you have 10 as your divisor, you deal with 32. How many tens are 32? Do not end in 3. I do not use 3. But how many tens are there in 32? So you write 3. Okay? 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. And then subtract. Subtract. The answer is 2. Bring down. May I write it in bold letter? Bold number. So I bring down 0. How many tens are here in 20? So 2. See to it that they are in column. So 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract 20 minus 20 is 0. May I write in bigger number? It's 3. And this one is 2. I think it can be seen already. And that is in division. For elementary students or primary pupils, this is yours. And those who cannot divide, this is yours. And if you can divide, maybe you ignore this, okay, or just review. Use this. And this is only to support the students who